In this video, you'll learn how to add people to a team space on Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to successfully invite team members to collaborate in your workspace. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the address quote notion.so quote in the address bar. Once the page fully loads, you will see the login screen if you are not already signed in. If prompted, enter your credentials to sign into your Notion account. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your main workspace. Here you can locate your profile space, which is typically found in the left sidebar. Click on your profile space to access your account settings. Next, look for the settings option in the drop-down menu after clicking your profile space. This will lead you to a new screen where various account settings are displayed. From here, select the account option to continue with the process. After accessing the account settings, you will see additional options related to your workspace tab to proceed. This will display your current workspace details, enabling you to manage your team spaces effectively. Once on the workspace screen, locate the team spaces option in the sidebar. Clicking on this will take you to a section where you can view all the team spaces associated with your account. Here, you will find the team space settings link, which you need to click next. In the team space settings, look for the Manage Team Spaces option. This section allows you to control the team spaces you have access to. Click on this option to manage your existing team spaces and their members. After accessing the management page for team spaces, find the link that says Manage All Team Spaces you have access to it. Clicking this will bring up a comprehensive list of team spaces available to you. You can now proceed to the next step. On this page, identify the active status for the team space you wish to modify. Select this option to view current members and their access levels within the team space. This is crucial for ensuring you have the right permissions to add new members. Next, look for the highlight option. This will allow you to emphasize specific actions or members within the team space. Click on this to proceed with the member management process. Now, find the access section and click on it. This area contains options related to member permissions and roles within the team space. It is important to review these settings before adding new members. Continue by selecting the security option to ensure that you are aware of the current security settings in place for your team space. This is essential for maintaining a secure environment for your team. Next, click on the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. This will reveal additional settings for managing your team space. Look for the option that says Add Members and click on it to initiate the invitation process. After selecting Add Members, you will see an option labeled Invite People To. Click on this to proceed with inviting new team members to your team space. In the invitation field, type the names or email addresses of the members you wish to invite. Ensure that you enter the correct information to avoid any invitation issues. Once you have added the desired members, click on the Invite button to send out the invitations. After clicking Invite, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your invitations have been sent successfully. This is a crucial step as it allows your team members to join the team space and start collaborating. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.